In a big bowl, add the boiled potato, cooked pasta, any pasta you choose would be fine, chopped hard-boiled egg, some Dijon mustard, freshly cracked black pepper, some cayenne pepper, which is optional, and some paprika, a dust of celery salt. You don't want to add too much because celery salt is quite salty. Golden ray butter, and if you don't have golden ray butter, you can use regular salted butter. Some chopped parsley or celery, mayo of your choice, light or regular. Mix. Next, add in 1 tin of peas and carrots or mixed vegetables. I like putting in this last so that the vegetables don't get mushy or mashed up. It maintains its structure. And all you have to do is adjust your salt, taste, and then this is ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!